So much. We're being told by people in the village of Jordan that the flooding they experienced overnight is some of the worst in decades. News Channel 9's Victoria Kellogg joins us live from there. Victoria, tell us about the damage you're seeing today.
Yes, Ryan, the water is still slightly high in several parts, but it has gone down since I've been here earlier this morning, especially the Skaneateles Creek, which is right behind me. That flooded over about 9 p.m. last night, I was told. Locals tell me that they haven't seen anything like this in years. Residents had water pouring over into their basements and some even on their first floor, turning their homes quickly into an indoor pool.
I can tell by our treatment plant, wastewater, that things spiked like crazy to flow somewhere around that same time, because it comes, and it's coming in manholes. Some pumps are running. A lot of things are happening, trying to keep ahead of it. So, yeah, it spiked like I haven't seen it in a long time.
And the roads are open, yet officials are telling me to tell residents to use caution and to report any damage that they've seen. Reporting live from the village of Jordan, I'm Victoria Kellogg, News Channel 9.